Automation in 15 minutes. Today I'm going to start something new. Let's try to automate different processes within 15 minutes using Claude, OpenAI, or Klein. The goal for today is automate an Uptime Robot, which basically goes into different websites. If they are down, it notifies me via email. Let's start the timer. Now, I think it would be best to use Google Apps script in this case, because this way we can automatically connect to my Gmail. We don't need to set any SMTP in automations. So I think using like an automation tool, Python or no-code automation such as N8N might be an overkill here. So, and I also don't think that we need Klein for this. I don't think it's necessary to use a lot of code. I think we can get this done within one file. So let's just get going. Can you help me write a Google app script? The goal is to send an automated email anytime a website is down. I will provide to you a Google spreadsheet. Column A will contain the URL. Column B would be for last checked status. Every time you check all the entries in column A, you update the last entry in column B. Keep in mind that if any of the websites is down, you must send an email. Every email of the owner of the website will be in column C. Okay, so I just improvised the instructions. Let's see what it's going to generate. Let's open Google Sheets for this. Oh, my bad. Okay, we create a Google spreadsheet, website URL, last check status, and email address. So website URL. Let's make this 1-for-1 so we don't make any mistakes. I feel the pressure of the timer, but yeah, it is what it is. Website URL, let's do HTTPS EcomXF, it's my website. Okay, now in your spreadsheet, go to extensions, app script, extensions, app script. Let's copy this code. Where is the code? It's here. Copy contents, paste it here. Let's see if we're missing anything. I think we're already good to go. In your spreadsheet, go to extensions, copy and paste the code, save the project, run the create trigger. The script will then run every 5 minutes. Error handling for various. Okay. Okay, cool. So it's supposed to be good to go. Let's deploy. Let's save this first. Project name, Uptime Robot. V1, 13 of November 2024, rename. Let's run this. Need to provide permissions. This is the first time, so we need to provide permissions connected to our mail. Once you encounter this, you just come here and allow. Execution started. Let's see what happened. I'm not sure if it worked or not. But never mind, this is just the first iteration, so obviously we're not expecting it to work immediately. Execution log. project history. This is a, by the way, if you don't use AppScript, it's pretty convenient. Complete. Okay, so I don't know exactly what happened. So can you add logs for each run? Add it in the same spreadsheet. Create new. Let's see what it does. So you see it checks if we have a log sheet or not. And then it's going to create one. Let's create one in the meantime. Log sheet. Okay, let's copy the code. Create log sheet if it doesn't exist. By the way, it's very important to go over the code. This is something that myself and other lazy people, whenever they use AI coding assistants, they just skip the verification process and then it messes things up. Skip empty rows. Check if status is not 200. Okay. Let's assume it's good enough. Editor. Come back here, resave. We hit the run button. Execution started, execution complete. Okay, so we have the log sheet, the logs, it's added the logs. We didn't add anything email address to send to. It's going to be YB. This is my secondary email. Okay, maybe this was the issue. We need to add an if, obviously, in order to verify it. Let's see what happened now. Nothing seems to have happened. Executions. It has created the log spreadsheet, but I don't see any logs added. Furthermore, it says that the execution is complete, but nothing seems to have happened. We have 7 minutes left. Let's debug the script and see immediate feedback. I'm reading this. Website is down. Okay, website is up. Test logging. Okay. Let's see what it wrote. First, let's verify the basic logging works. Go to script editor, run the test logging function. Check if test entry appears in the logs test. If that works, run the full function check. Okay, let's copy this. Save this. You can select here a specific function. So test logging. Tested the logging. Let's do like this. Test logging, run. Log added, test info test. Okay, this is fine. So moving forward, check if the test entry appears in the log sheet. Let's see. Okay, it's great. If that works, run the full check. Run the run immediate test function. What's this? Log added, error checking website, invalid email. Name exception. Okay, invalid email start. Okay, found 4 rows of data. Website is down, checking URL. Okay, so we have good logging. Let's see what's going on here. Email address for notifications. Let's see. Test log entry. This is the test log entry. Check started. Starting, okay, not good enough. Let's analyze this. Starting immediate test, log added. Test log, starting website check, log added. Found 4 rows of data, checking URL. Website is down. The website shouldn't be down, so let's see here. It's not down, I'm pretty sure it's not down. This is my website. 4 minutes left. Okay, the website seems up. Might be related to how can we know if I have permissions to enter the website? Maybe use a different library that I think this is the issue, probably. We can use a more robust way to check the website that includes different types of checks and better error handling. Let me modify the script to use URL fetch app. Let's see. Let's open OpenAI in the meantime. For Google Apps script, which language do I need? Specifically, I want to create browser automations and data extraction workflows. Can I use Python related stuff such as Puppeteer, Selenium, or is it more JavaScript? Okay, Google Apps Script is primarily based on JavaScript and is used to automate tasks within Google Workspace. However, it has own built-in environment and APIs tailored for interacting with Google services, so it doesn't directly support external libraries like Puppeteer or Selenium. Cannot directly control browsers. It's designed for automating tasks within the Google space. You can use the URL fetch app to make HTTP requests. If more advanced browser is required, interacting with page elements, handling dynamic contents, you need tools like Puppeteer or Selenium, which are based on Node.js. Okay, so let's use Puppeteer. Let's see what it generated. By the way, you saw why I used OpenAI, because I don't want to mess up the context here of Claude. Let's try adding this code here. We will save this. Let's see what it tells us now to do. Okay. Added more detailed checkings, tries head request first, add specific new testing functions, test any specific URL, test just the first URL. Let's do test first URL. Okay, success, false, status error, method failed, exception attribute provided with invalid exception. Okay, testing specific. I got this error, mistake. I got this error. Time is running out. 1 minute left. Let's see. Scripts handle the method parameter differently than I specified. Let me fix and simplify the checking process. In order to see if a website is down, can I just ping it, or do I need other type of testing? Let's see. Pinging a website is a basic way to check if it's reachable, but doesn't provide a complete picture of the website health. So pinging, send a simple request, HTTP request testing. This is what Uptime Robot does. Okay, let's see. Copy. Let's paste it here. Test. Let's try again. I have a good feeling about this. Awesome. Wow, amazing. Just in time. Success. The timer is done. Let's pause this. And we got test result. Success true. Status 200. Site is up. Response 200. Amazing. Let's see here. Did it do anything? I'm not sure if it sent the email. It didn't do the logging and the email, but at least we got some advancement. Let's finish this up, although time ran out. Okay, this seems to be working. Now let's add the automation of the email, and also please add the detailed logging. Obviously, I need to also test if on websites that are down, whether or not if this is working or not. Let's see. Okay. Let's not even validate this. Let's be lazy. Let's see what's going on here. Create automatic trigger, check websites. This is what we want to do. Check websites. Run. Starting website check. Found 2 rows of data. Checking URL EcomXF.com. Website check completed. Execution completed. As you can see, up. Email sent here. Amazing. Let's now try something else. It's a typo, so we know it's down. Let's test again. Checking URL EcomXF.com. Website check completed. Execution completed. Let's see the results. DNS down. Email sent. This is DNS error. First check. And you have the last check. Amazing. And we have here the logs. We can see here what is written. Finish website check run. Okay, awesome. So yeah, we have an Uptime Robot. Pretty simple. We can decide that it will run on a specific frequency every 10 minutes, every 2 seconds, whenever you feel like. You can define any emails that you would like to send it for the notification. Let's see if I got the notification. No, I won't change. I won't test it now because I don't want to start blurring my private stuff in the Gmail, and it's not that crucial because worst case I will just adjust this. But I think this was a pretty nice experiment, pretty useful. I already have ideas of how I can make this automation even more relevant and effective. I just wanted to show you how to generate automations pretty fast using Google Apps Script. I think it's a very powerful tool that many people overlook. That's it. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed yet, and you're interested in automations and AI related stuff, please make sure you subscribe. Until next time, keep on automating.